Hello guys, so we're going to create this isometric effect. Okay, let's start from the beginning. I'm going to type my channel name, align it in the middle, and go to appearance from window, and go to characters, remove the fill, and go back and add new fill. Then press on FX, 3D, rotate, and go to isometric left. Okay. Then fill, while clicked on it, press duplicate item and change the color and go to 3D rotate of the second copied one and put isometric bottom. Okay. And then you go to FX, distort and transform, and try to align it. And that's it. And you can change the color however you want.